reviewing a super handy security screen solution that will make your life easy. No need for screws or pop rivets with the unique QuickFit installation legs. Internal carriage is easily removed to provide the additional benefits of this roller. Offering 3-wheel positions to allow for variability, -1 mm, +1 mm, and 0 mm to stop those screen and patio door handles from kissing as they slide past each other. Easily detachable inner housing, allowing you to rotate to the desired offset quickly and efficiently without removing the outer housing from the door, saving you time and frustration. Subscribe to stay connected.